These are my original collard greens planted during the fall of last year, and they are looking tremendous. So, as such, we're going to harvest some of these, as well as some kale and maybe some green beans. And I thought I would bring you along. These are some huge collards, very, very, very big. And let's start up front here, and we're going to do, as I always do, the cut and come again method. All right, look how big these are. Huge. Uh, I want to cut the outer leaves or stalks and leave the smaller ones on the inside remaining, so that when I get ready to come again, they are as big as these, and the future smaller ones are on the inside. And this is just from one plant. The ones that we just finished cutting are the Georgia Collards, and these are, what are these again? Champion Collards. So these are the collards that we got. And basically all of these are from 4 plants. We're going to go ahead and put these in my tote, and then we're going to go ahead and go over to the kale. So here at the kale bed, we have a lot of plants and a lot of kale. So we're going to go ahead and just go ahead and break them off. Lots of kale. So here is the kale. Nice bunch of kale. We're going to go ahead and put this in the tote, and then we're going to go get the green beans. So a few days ago, I was walking around this bed, and I noticed these were the first ones that I saw, and they were hanging out the side of the bed. So I did some more looking around and discovered that this bed is pretty much loaded with beans. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest what I see, and hopefully that will keep them blooming. So here's our harvest of green beans, and got quite a nice variety, a nice bunch of them rather. So hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this. We'll go ahead and put this with the other harvest and show you how much we got. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this harvest. And as you can see, it was a very successful harvest. We got two different types of collards. We got a lot of lacinato kale, and we got some bush beans, or as I call them, green beans. So I hope you enjoyed the video, brought a smile to your face, a little warmth to your heart. If it did, leave me a like button. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent, and I shall reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. This is the type of produce that I grow by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so you can share it. Until next time, two things to remember. First, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Secondly, grow, grow, grow.